Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to the online classes for Triveni Memorial School. So today we will be studying the 13th chapter for class 3rd in environmental studies. That is your work we do. So as you people are aware, there are different professions which are chosen by the people. So there are people who are doing different sort of work. So we are going to understand that in detail. So let's begin. So first of all, let us understand the area which is there in your surrounding. That area is known near your house, around your house is known as your neighborhood. And there are a lot many places in your neighborhood which are found, which are making our day-to-day life very comfortable because they provide us lot of goods and services. So what important places you can find in your nearby, in your surrounding? That can be any local market, schools, colleges, police station, or a post office. So these important places are there in your neighborhood. So let us discuss one by one. So first one is your bank. So what is there, what we keep in our bank? So in the bank we generally keep our money as well as our jewelries, and the bank responsibility is to keep our money and jewelry, keep them safe. Okay, and in what way, how we can obtain that money that we have kept there? We can withdraw our money with the help of the check, or either you might have seen that your parents withdrew the money with the help of the ATM card. Okay, so whenever we need that money, we can take that money, our money back from the bank in this manner by using a check or an ATM card. So here you can see over the image, this is a bank. This image shows a bank. Now next important place is your police station. So as you people are aware, so various policemen work in the police station, and their main work is to catch the thief and maintain the law and order in that particular area. So as you can see many policemen at the police station, their main work is to catch the thief that I have told you. And in order to call the police, what number you can dial on your mobile? You can dial 100 number. So that is a standard number which is given over here, that you can dial 100 number. So in order to call the police. Now the next important place is your market. So market, as you people are aware, there are lot many shops, different type of shops you can see in the market. Okay, the local market, as you can see, you can say there are lot many stationery shops are there, grocery shops, fruit, medicines and clothes. So we get all these things, we go and purchase all these things to the nearby local market area which are found near your home. So as you can see, we can see stationery shops, fruits, chemist shop, florist and general merchant in our local market. So lot many shops are there, and collectively you can go and buy different things which are required in your day-to-day activity, day-to-day life. Now moving on to the next important place, that is your post office. So this image shows the post office. So in the post office, what we can buy the postcards, letters, envelope, stamps, other postage items, those things which you can post to your these items at the post office. You generally have heard about that earlier people used to write letters to their friends, their relatives, because that time the mode of communication was not feasible at present how it is. So earlier people used to send letters, they used to send money orders, okay, and the parcels, they used to send these things from with the help of this post office. So the postmen generally work in the post office. So now next is your fire brigade. So you might have seen this fire brigade. So generally fire station is a building where this fire brigade or the group of people who puts out the fire and rescue the people from the fire. So these people stays in the fire station, okay, and these are firefighters, and these generally when there is a fire at any particular place, so these people they quickly reach to that particular place and put out the fire by how they are putting out the fire, by spraying the water on it with the help of long pipes. Okay, so they have this fire brigade, and with the help of this long pipe they spray water, and they rescue the people who are stuck in those buildings, okay, where the fire is caught. Okay, so in order to call the fire station, what number you can dial? You can dial 101. Okay, so this is a standard number. You can just recall this. So 100 is used for, we dial 100 number to call the police station, and we dial 101 in order to call the fire brigade people. Now next topic is, beside that there are lot many other profession, the work which is done by the people. So let us understand over here. So first one, the person who mend our shoes and sandal, that person is known as cobbler. The next is, he makes and repairs the thing made of iron. So those people who is making or repairing things made up of iron, that person is called as your blacksmith. Okay, you must remember these names. The next is, he grows food crops for us. So that person is your farmer. The next is, he bakes and sells the bread and the cake. So that person is called as your baker. The person who cuts our hair, this is very common, you must know, he is a barber. The next is, he looks after the plants in our garden. So that is a gardener who looks after the plant, water the plant. The next is, next profession you can see, he stitches the cloth, that person is your tailor. The next is, he repairs the vehicle. So that person is known as a mechanic. The next is, he cures the sick. So he cures the person who are sick or feeling ill. So that is your doctor. Now beside that, there are a lot many people who are helping us to in constructing our houses. So help in making our houses. The first one is an engineer. So engineer work is that he supervises the construction, overall construction of any house. The next, as you are aware, a painter, he generally paints the walls, the buildings, okay, and the houses. The next is a plumber. So he does the wire, the fitting of the pipeline, water pipeline. He mends those pipeline, okay, water fitting. The next is electrician. So as you can see here, the electrician, what work an electrician does, he generally fix the electricity of any house. The next is a carpenter, the person who is doing the wooden work, making furniture, making different things out of this wood, is known as a carpenter, makes generally door, windows, etc. Then next is mason, he lays the bricks for making the house. Then labor is a person who is going to bring the building material to this mason and helping him out. The next is an architect. So the important work is of our architect. He is going to make the design or a plan of any house. So which room has to be constructed, what will be the area to be covered, how many rooms should be there, and where they have to be constructed. This all plan, design is made by an architect. Now let us move on to the other people who generally sell different things in the local market. So you can see a person who sells the medicine. So that person is known as your chemist. The next is the person who sells the flower. So that person is known as florist. Now the another type of people who generally help in entertaining us, those people are like, first of all you can see over here, he makes people laugh by doing funny tricks. So that person is known as clown. The next is, she dances on the stage. So that is known as a dancer. The next is, he makes and plays melodious music for us. So that person is called as a musician. So you must remember all these terminologies, what person is doing what kind of work, that is very important here. Now moving on to the next is your household work. So there are various work which are done at your home, so that those work are termed as household work. Okay, so we must make ourselves useful in many ways. How you can perform the various household work and help your elders. So some methods are given over here that you can, in this manner you can help your elders. First of all, we can help our elders in cooking food in the kitchen. So small help you can do in helping your elders, like this girl is helping her mother in while she is cooking the food in the kitchen. The next is, we can bring things like bread, butter, egg and milk from the nearby market. So if there is a nearby market near your house, then you can just go and bring these day-to-day things which are required, these simple things. In this manner also you can help. The next is, we can help our elders in cleaning the house. So this also you can do, like this girl, she is mopping the floor. This is also a way in which you can help. The next is, we can help them in putting things at the proper places. So as you can see over here, this child is putting the things in a proper manner. So don't spread things all over the places. And in order to help your parents or your elders, you can put your things, your books, your toys, everything in a proper manner. Okay, so these are the various ways in which you can help. Now moving on to the exercise part. First multiple choice question shoes and sandals are repaired by. So the person who is repairing the shoes and sandal, that is known as a cobbler. The next multiple choice question. The person who mends the pipes and taps of a house is your plumber. As I told you earlier, he does the water fitting of any house or building, so that is a plumber. Now moving on to the fill in the blanks, a person who repair the car and the scooter, that is called as a mechanic. The next is a person who treat the patient is known as a doctor. The next is a dash make people laugh by doing funny tricks. You can write down a joker or a clown, both are correct. The next is a dash cuts our hair. So a barber is the person who cuts our hair. Now here you can see you have to choose the odd one out. Three are similar. You have to choose which one is odd. Here teacher, librarian, principal and clown. So as you can see, the clown is the one who entertain us. Rest are those people who work at school. So this is odd one out. Next is your clown, dancer, market and musician. So your market is odd one out. Rest three are doing entertainment work. The next is architect, bank, plumber and painter. So out of bank, the rest three are people who are helping in making our home. Then moving on to the next, some pictures are given over here. You have to identify them. So the first one, as the image depict, is a carpenter. The next one is a plumber and the third one is of electrician. Okay. Now moving on to the section B of the exercise. First of all, a farmer works in a. So where does a farmer work? He works in the bakery, hospital or in the field. So farmer, he generally grows the crops for us. So he generally work in the field. So C option is correct. Now next is he makes people laugh by doing funny tricks. So that you can mention over here, given here, B option, a joker or a clown. Now your very short answer question, just give the answer in one or two words. So you have to mention two people who works to entertain us. So recently I have told you, you can write singer, clown or a musician. The next is you have to name two important places in your neighborhood. So what are those two places? It can be a school, a market, police station, hospital, etc. You can mention any two. Now your short answer question. So you have to tell that what kind of work these people do, which are given over here. So as you are aware, a tailor, he generally stitches the cloth. A gardener who looks after the plants in a garden. A florist, the person who sells the flower, is known as a florist. A baker who bakes and sells the bread and the cake. So just go through the video once again and you will be able to easily give the answer of these questions. The next is, what is a bank? So bank is a place where we keep our money and jewelry for its safety. Okay, so that is a bank. Now your last one, your long answer question, you have to tell what kind of work is done by these people. They are involved in constructing a house. So first of all, if we discuss engineer, so engineer, as I told you, he supervises the construction of overall of the house. The next is architect. Architect, he is going to design or draw the plan of the house. Okay. The next is your carpenter, who does the wooden work, making furniture out of it. The next is electrician. So electrician is the one which does the wiring of the for the electricity and electrical fitting. The next is painter. He generally paints the room as well as the walls of a building. The last one is a labor. He is going to carry the building material required by the mason for building the house. So these people, these 6 people are involved in constructing the house, and these are the various functions, the work they perform. Now, what do you understand by a household work? So household work is a work that we do at our home. That is simple. The work which is done at our home is known as household work. So hope everybody has understood this completely. Just important thing is that you must remember which work is done by which person. Okay, you call that person what, by what name, and the function or the work they are performing. Okay, so as you are aware, different people perform different functions. Just remember that part. Just go through the video once again for better